In this episode, we will talk about what is EC2. So, EC2 is one of the services provided by AWS. The full form is Elastic Compute Cloud, right? That is reason it is EC2. So, what is Amazon EC2? Basically, in cloud computing, right? Cloud computing help us to reduce the cost. Earlier, we used to buy those machines and then have it installed in our premises. Wherein using EC2, no need to worry about our hardware cost. So that will be eliminated by EC2 upfront hardware cost. We can very well develop and deploy applications by creating virtual machines, right? And we can have those configure. We can configure security, basically firewalls. So if you want to enable port 80, or you can enable some SSH protocol, so that can be done by security networking part. And also we can manage storage. So there are certain storage like elastic block store, and we can access S3 also via EC2, right? Also EC2 helps us to scale up and scale down. So wherein in case of there is a huge traffic, right? So the machine uh, EC2 machines, right? They can easily we can have many EC2 instances created in case of huge traffic, and whenever there is traffic is low, we can bring down those EC2 machines very easily. So that was about EC2. Now coming to features of Amazon EC2, the one of the feature is that the virtual computing environments. So these are the instances. So we can create those instances, pre-configured templates. So while creating instance, you must have seen that, right? You have to select the Amazon machine image. So those are the pre-configured templates provided by EC2. We can choose various configuration, T2 micro, T3 micro, for example, wherein CPU, memory, storage. So we can select as per our need, right? And we can have a security login feature wherein we can create a key pairs, so that will be used to log into those machines. So that one security feature as well provided by Amazon EC2. We can have a storage volume for temporary data, right? uh, we can use that also. There are percentage storage volumes, so elastic block store is attached, which is attached to with your EC2 instance, right? So now how to get started with Amazon EC2. So to start with Amazon EC2, you need to have your Amazon AWS account. So you may refer to my video how to create a free account, AWS account. So by this you can create an account, and then once you log into account, uh, you may go to EC2 by click on this services options, right? So basically this one you can click on services, and then you need to select compute. Under compute you will say EC2, or else you can type EC2 in the search bar, right? So I'll show you that as well here with this particular video. So this way you can go into EC2 services provided by Amazon. Now coming to pricing, as not all the instances are free. There are a couple of instances free eligible, but other than that they are Amazon charges. So this basically it's a pay as you go model. So basically you need to pay the amount you use for. So on demand instances, for that on demand instances, you will be paying for minimum 60 seconds. So every 60 seconds you use for, so they will charge you. What I mean to say is that suppose you use for that 400 seconds, so you will be charged for that 420 seconds, right? So multiple of 60 seconds you will be charged for. Now they have also one saving plans, wherein suppose you have a commitment, you are in need of a particular machine for more than a year or so. So you can reduce your costing Amazon EC2 cost by going for this saving plan, right? And here the charge will be on hourly basis, right? So there is one more reserve instance, wherein suppose I want to I know that I'm in a need of a particular configuration machine. So that instance I can very well reserve it for a longer period. This way reserve instance, and this will help me to reduce my cost as well. And there is one spot instance. So a spot instance is one of the cheapest one which Amazon has provided. But the issue with the spot instance is that first of all they are the unused instances which Amazon gives us, and then they may take those instances from us by by sending some notification, maybe some 5 minutes before they send notification, and they may take back from us, because these are the cheapest one, right? So we may go for spot instances also. So that's what I wanted to cover with Amazon EC2. So let me go back to Amazon console account here, right? So I'm into my Amazon console account. So this way, click on services under compute, and then you select EC2. So this way you can go to EC2, or else you can type EC2 here and you can click EC2. So this way you can go for, and let me show you the Amazon machine image. So the moment you click on launch instance, so here, right? So you click on launch instance, you will see Amazon machine image, which we talked about in our theory part, right? So this is the AMI, right? Amazon Linux image. So for Ubuntu, you see that it got changed, right? Windows. So all these templates, these are the provided uh, by Amazon AWS in EC2, right? Instance type. So you may go for a particular configuration, CPU memory type. So there are multiple instance types you may choose for, right? You can compare also key pair login, so security key pair. So you can create your key pair, and then you can have your key pair created, right? So this is what I wanted to cover in a brief about Amazon EC2. So please like my this video, or share with your friends if at all you feel the topic is pretty much nice, and it got covered nicely, right? So yeah, thank you.